The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, is a mathematical marvel found everywhere in nature. From the spirals of seashells to the branching of trees, this ratio exemplifies harmony and balance. Ancient Greeks recognized its beauty, using it in architecture. The Parthenon is a stunning example. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci employed the golden ratio to create visually pleasing compositions, evident in masterpieces such as the Mona Lisa. Even in modern design, this ratio is a guiding principle for aesthetics. Its presence in the human body, from the proportions of our limbs to facial features, illustrates its profound connection to beauty and symmetry, making it a timeless secret of nature's design.